Question. So first note that interest interest is principal times rate times time over 100. So now according to the question, we have a man saved 3,000 naira in bank P whose interest rate was X percent per annum. That means the interest for bank P now is equal to principal 3,000 times rates X times time 1 because it's per annum, so 1 over 100. So that means this, we cancel this. So interest on P is 30s. Take note. Now, and 2,000 in another bank Q whose interest rate was Y percent. So 2,000 naira is the principal times Y times 1 over 100. So this will cancel out again. So interest in Q is now 20Y. So his total interest in 1 year was 640. That means interest in P plus interest in Q is equals to 640. So it simply means 30s plus 20y is equals to 640. So that will be equation 1. So that one will form equation 1. So that is equation 1. Again, if he had saved 2,000 naira in P, so another interest principal times rates, if he had saved 2,000 naira in P times time over 100, so this will cancel. That is 20x, as in that is 20x. And 3,000 naira in Q principal times rates times time over 100, so this is 30y. He would have gained 20 as additional interest. Remember, the interest before is 640, now plus additional 20, that will be 660. So now the new interest now is 20s plus 30y equals 660. So that will be equation 2. So if you solve the two equations, so we are going to get s and y. So this is equation 2. So we have 30s plus 20y is equals to 640. And again 20s, this is equation 1. 20s plus 30y equals 660. That will be equation 2. So and note that we can reduce both equations because the numbers are large. So you can actually reduce both equations, but I can still solve straight like that without reducing it. So this is simultaneous. Solve for s and y. To reduce the equation will be better so that we can get small value. Normally you see that 0 can go in all, so like that. So that means the equation 1 can become 3s so that we can have small value plus 2y is equals to 64. So that will be equation 1. So it can go here also. So we have 2s plus 3y is equals to 66. So that will be equation 2. So we have reduced the two equation now. So we have reduced the two equations. So let's solve it simultaneously now. So from 1 we can multiply, use elimination method. So multiply the two coefficients together. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So we have 6x plus 4y, that is 2 times 3, 2 times 2, and 2 times 64. So 6x plus 4y equals 128, equation 3. So multiply all this one by 3, so by these coefficients. This is elimination method. 3 times 2, 6x, plus 3 times 3, 9y. So that will be 6x plus 9y is equals to 66 times 3. That is 198. So that is equation 4. Now subtract the two equations. I'm using elimination, so this will cancel out. So 0. Now 4y or 9y minus 4y, that will be 5y. Then 198 minus 128, so that is 70. Then y is equals to 70 divided by 5. So y is equal to 14. So now we have known y. Now that you know y, we can find x. So substitute back in any of the equations to find x. So y is 14. So now find x. So anywhere you see y, put 14. I'm using equation 1. 3x plus 2y equals 64. 3x plus 2 bracket 14 equals 64. 3x is equals to 3x plus 28 is equals to 64. 3x is 64 minus 28. 3x is equals to, so if you subtract 64 minus 28, so you get 36. S is equals to 36 over 3. S is equals to 12. So that means we have known our x and y. So s is 12 and y is 14. So that means x is 12. So s is equals to 12% and y is equals to 14%. So that's the answer.